Yo, you're too high, bro. Yo, you're way too high. You're way too high. Like, for real. Yo, are you okay? Yo, is your leg okay? Tell me I got that on video. Oh my god. Yo, are you okay? Is your leg broken? Is it?
No.
No?
The dead leg though.
Yo, let's watch that.
That's just a bit.
Well,
That's a bad. Yeah, this is bad.
so this is the only thing I'm a little concerned because the head of the muscle does attach to this bone here.
Yeah.
So, but it's not formed. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to do that.
Do that.
But
Yeah.
you need to just rub it
Grab it.
and
Take it easy.
Take it easy for a couple of days. I said
I think it's fine, man.
just did a while.
Yeah, just a
for
quick
couple
one time.
hours.
Yeah, just a quick one
It's gonna
time.
help.
Yeah, it'll help, buddy.
This is very thin. You need a thicker one. I just want you to look at the way I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be like a number 8. You'll see. Just for a couple hours. If you're not, just go to Walmart and buy a knee holder.
Yeah. See one of those, just the knee straps, the one that
Yeah.
slips on, yeah.
Just put a tape there. But get some Aleve or get some ibuprofen. But the ice is gonna be the best thing. Let me see the video.